8001. The working voltage of a capacitor in an AC circuit should be A. Equal to the highest applied voltage. B. At least 20% greater than the highest applied voltage. C. At least 50% greater than the highest applied voltage. The correct answer is C. The highest voltage that can be steadily applied to a capacitor without running the risk of the dielectric failing is known as the working voltage. A capacitor used in an AC circuit needs to have a working voltage that is at least 50% higher than the highest voltage that will be applied to it. The working voltage is dependent on the material used as the dielectric and the thickness of the material. 8002. The term that describes the combined resistive forces in an AC circuit is A. Resistance. B. Reactance. C. Impedance. The correct answer is C. Impedance is the total opposition to current flow in an AC circuit, including both resistance and reactance. 8002-1. What is the opposition to the flow of AC produced by an electromagnetic field, EMF, with generated back voltage called? A. Inductive reactance. B. Capacitive reactance. C. Mutual inductance. The correct answer is A. Inductive reactance is the opposition to the flow of AC current caused by the presence of an inductor in a circuit. When an EMF is generated in an inductor, it produces a back voltage that opposes the flow of current, causing inductive reactance. Capacitive reactance, on the other hand, is the opposition to the flow of AC caused by the presence of a capacitor in a circuit. Mutual inductance is a property of two coupled inductors that describes the amount of magnetic flux generated by one inductor that passes through the other inductor. 8002-2. Electrostatic fields are also known as A. Dielectric fields. B. Electrostatic fields. C. Static fields. The correct answer is A. A charged body is surrounded by a field of force. This is an electrostatic field, which is also referred to as a dielectric field. It is illustrated by lines that branch out from the charged body in all directions and come to an end where there is an equal and opposite charge. 8003. The basis for transformer operation in the use of alternating current is mutual. A. Inductance. B. Capacitance. C. Reactance. The correct answer is A. Transformers work based on the principle of mutual inductance, which is the property of two inductors that describes the amount of magnetic flux generated by one inductor that passes through the other inductor. In a transformer, two coils of wire are wound around a common magnetic core. An AC current in one coil produces a changing magnetic field, which induces a voltage in the other coil through mutual inductance. The voltage induced in the secondary coil is proportional to the ratio of the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils, and can be either stepped up or stepped down depending on the relative number of turns in each coil. Capacitance and reactance do not play a direct role in transformer operation.